Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in Capcut. First, open the Capcut app on your device. Look for the Templates tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to explore the wide variety of pre-designed video styles available. You can scroll through different categories like vlog, gaming, or fashion to find the perfect fit for your content. Once you've found a template you like, tap the Use Template button. Capcut will then prompt you to select your own photos or video clips from your device's gallery. Pay attention to the number of clips or images the template requires. Choose your best media to replace the placeholder content, ensuring they align with the template's flow and duration. After adding your media, Capcut will automatically generate a preview of your video. Watch it carefully to see how your content integrates with the template. You might need to make minor adjustments, like trimming a clip or reordering photos, to achieve the best result. Feel free to add extra touches like custom text, fun stickers, or a different music track to truly make it your own. When you're happy with your video, tap the Export button. You'll have options to select your preferred resolution, such as 1080p and frame rate. Once exported, your video will be saved to your device. From there, you can easily share your amazing creation directly to popular social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram, showcasing your new Capcut skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.